In today's episode, we'll take a picture with the Strobe Quickshot process. Let's get started. First, place your subject and frame the composition. Next, go ahead and select the strobe setting and take the picture. The next step is to select the multiple shots and combine them. With this button, you can browse and see which segment looks best. I think this one looks good. The next step is to clean the areas that you want to remove the other objects from. So let's go ahead and zoom in, and I want to wipe from her face the shots that we don't want be part of the composition. If you go too far, you can go to the paint brush and put some of that back on to make it more realistic. This looks pretty good. So let's go ahead and this side, let's zoom out. That looks pretty good. If you're happy with the results, you can go ahead and save. Once you save your picture, the final thing is just to give it a look and we'll be done. On the primers filters, let's go ahead and choose the CN02 filter. Let's just adjust its intensity. Let's go into the settings. The mid-tone, let's kind of like play with them and see if we can adjust some of the luminance and the mid-tones. Give it some brightness to it. I like that. Next, what we can do is click on the adjust button, add a vignette, let's go into the details on depth and apply the depth filter to give it a little more contrast look, and we're basically done. Maybe adjust a little bit of the brightness, the taste, then you save it. Thank you for watching.